news, now look at the headlines. Goa mining should resume as country is in a meltdown stage. Chidambaram says it in Lok Sabha.
If there is some irregularity in granting an iron ore mine, inquire into them. But what about the millions of tons of iron ore which is lying there in Goa and in...
People are supreme as they can make or break the candidates. Damu Naik reacts on CM's Lok Sabha candidate announcements. Vishnu bends. Police arrests Samajwadi Party MLA with alleged prostitutes at Kampal, rescues 6 girls. JMFC grants 7 days remand to 6 arrested accused. Chief Minister says food security bill is not clear in its motive. I have not understood it properly. Union government should brief state governments before going ahead. And sports administrators take India's honour for granted. World Cup winning archery team land in New Delhi without fanfare. Now news in detail. Mining in the states like Goa has to be resumed looking at the current economic scenario. Finance Minister P. Chidambaram made it clear in the Lok Sabha. He said, while honouring the Apex Court, Union government is trying hard to start mining within the legal framework. Lok Sabha witnessed lot of heated arguments on the backdrop of rupee fall and gold prices touching 32,000.
Rupee slide down past 66 per dollar and Sensex dropped almost 600 points down to 18,000 on Tuesday. Gold prices increased as high as 32,500 per 10 grams. Lok Sabha debated on the crisis.
To resolve the impasse in the coal sector, iron ore sector, environment clearances and land acquisition which has come about due to judicial intervention. If there is some irregularity in granting an iron ore mine, inquire into them. But what about the millions of tons of iron ore which is lying there in Goa and in Bellary which has to be exported? This is an impasse that will affect any government in the future. We'll have to find a way. We'll have to find a way in which we are respectful to the Supreme Court. We recognize the authority of the Supreme Court, but we also assert the authority of Parliament and the executive government.
However, the opposition was not convinced with the finance minister's 10-point economy rescue program.
कि जब अमेरिका में गिरावट आती है तो हम कहते हैं भाई हम तो क्या करें, अमेरिका देश का सबसे बड़ी इकोनॉमी है, उसमें गिरावट आ गई तो हम तो सफर करेंगे ही। लेकिन आज अमेरिका में सुधार हो रहा और हम रो रहे हैं कि अब उस सुधार का असर हमारे ऊपर पड़ा। अकूत भंडार हमारे पास है कोयले का और आज ये देश कोयला $18 बिलियन का कोयला इंपोर्ट कर रहा है। इस सरकार के जाने का समय आ गया। मैंने कहा था गो, फॉर गॉड से गो।
Moreover, Union Finance Minister was blamed for raising import duty on gold and imposing 20% export condition on jewelers in the country. Yashwant Sinha claimed that jewelry trade has collapsed.
सोना के चलते ही देश की सारी समस्या, ज्वेलरी ट्रेड इस देश में कोलैप्स कर गया है क्योंकि इन्होंने न केवल 10% कर दिया उसको इंपोर्ट ड्यूटी, बल्कि इन्होंने उसके ऊपर 20% एक्सपोर्ट ऑब्लिगेशन लगा दिया है कि तुम अगर 100 रुपए का इंपोर्ट करते हो सोना तो 20 रुपए का तुमको एक्सपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा।
Union government is facing criticism from various sections including corporates and political circles for its faulty policies. While the union government is busy firefighting an economic crisis, there seems a ray of hope for Goa mining. Bureau Report, Prudent.
After Parekar's angry announcement of Shripad for North and Sawikar for South Goa, the rebellious and disgruntled aspirants have gone on back foot. Vishnu Vag says he will abide by the party diktat. Damu Naik says though party's decision is accepted, it is the people who make or break the candidates. Chief Minister has refused to comment on the issue.
It all started with few BJP leaders' critical speech on caste politics and reservation, criticizing their own government during workers' convention at Hotel Mandavi. Furious CM, who was present there, through his speech rapped these leaders on the same podium and closed the argument by announcing Shripad Naik for North and Narendra Sawikar for South. He cleared that party leaders should not criticize the government for political gains. This is what Vishnu Wagh said during last week.
क्या हम आग लगाने वालों के साथ होंगे या आग बुझाने वालों के साथ?
With CM announcing Sripad as North Goa candidate, Vishnu's bravado seemed subsided.
पक्षान आनी चड नांवां जाहीर केल्या करूं ना पळय उमेदवारी कोणाक दिवप हें ठरोवपाचो अधिकार पूर्णपणे पक्षाच्या नेतृत्वाचो म्हणजे स्थानीक नेतृत्व तशेंच केंद्रीय समितीचे आसता उमेदवार जाहीर करपाचो सगळो अधिकार हो तांचो आसा नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ बींग सॅटिस्फायड वी हॅव टू अबायड बाय द डिक्टेट्स ऑफ द पार्टी likewise there have been many candidates also no once the party has declared its candidate you have to go by the party.
The other aspirant from South Goa, Damu Naik too, has almost accepted the reality, but his reaction suggests that he is not completely out of the race.
शेवटी पार्टी जो निर्णय घेतलो तो निर्णय आमकां मान्य आसा जिखपाची खात्री त्याच बरोबर लोकांचे हें आनी जोर लावन जिखून हाडपाचें हें आमी प्रयत्न करतात खंयचो एक कॅन्डिडेट आसता त्या कॅन्डिडेटाक कार्यकर्ते जोर लावन जिखून हाडपाचें करतात पण लोकांक जर नाका जाल्यार त्यो गोश्टी आमी लादनात लोकांक समजा सांगलें की अमूक आसा ताका विनेबिलिटी मायज आसा और अमूक कडेन आमकां हो कॅन्डिडेट जाय आमी पूर्ण सहकार्य करतात अशें जर म्हटलें जाल्यार पार्टी निश्चितच तसो विचार करतले उरले नरेंद्र सावयकर आनी म्हजे बद्दल आमी दोगी मित्र विशयच येना तसो.
When we contacted CM, he refused to comment.
जी लोकसभा इलेक्शना बद्दल जे आता इला नॉर्थ गोवा आनी साउथ गोवा सीट तेजेर कितें उलोवपाचें आहा तुमकां?
हांव तुका फक्त करंट इश्यू रेशन ते फूड बिल पास जाला तितल्या परतो.
Bureau report Prudent.
Panaji police have arrested 6 persons including a sitting MLA of Samajwadi Party from Uttar Pradesh with alleged prostitutes from Hotel Viva Goa at Kampal in Panaji. Police also rescued 6 victim girls during a raid on Monday midnight. JMFC court at Panaji has granted 7 days police remand to all the 6 accused.
In the intervening night of Monday and Tuesday, Panaji police raided Hotel Viva Goa at Kampal and arrested sitting MLA of Samajwadi Party Mahendra Kumar Singh along with other accused customers, namely Ajay Pratap Singh, Dharmendra, Sanjeev and Kamal. Police also rescued 6 girls procured for prostitution. Though the police arrested manager of the hotel, namely Babu Ghanta, for running the hotel as a brothel. But main accused Manohar succeeded to escape.
We have registered offence against 7 people, out of which 6 people we have arrested. There is another person by name Manohar who is absconding and he appears to be the key person to get these girls here and ask them to perform.
Later they were produced before the JMFC court at Panaji where they were granted 7 days police remand. With video journalist Chetan Gawas, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Food Security Bill has been passed in haste. Central government has not briefed the state government on Food Security Bill properly before passing it. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has raised doubts on the implementation of Food Security Bill. He says, I have not properly understood the concept of the bill, but not sure whether it will achieve the goal.
Basically, हातूंच्यान ते कितें अचीव करूंक शकता सुद्दां पळय ते म्हाका बरें लक्षात येना. सोडून आता सदर्न स्टेट्स ऑल गिव दीस ऑलरेडी तांदूळ बी 1 रुपयान दितात ते सगळ्या राज्यांनी दितात आनी हातूंच्यान ते कितें करूंक सोदतात ते म्हाका सारकें लक्षात येना. त्यामुळे सिन्स वी हॅव नॉट बीन ब्रीफ्ड ओनली दी दॅट लेटरां फक्त धाडटात आमकां प्रत्यक्षान कांयच ब्रीफ न केल्यामुळे हांव हातून सांगिना इग्नोरन्सान सांगिना आय एम रियली कन्फ्यूज हाव टू इम्प्लिमेंट इट.
म्हणजे ह्याच्या बाबतीत कन्फ्युजन आसा
हय कारण उरलेल्या लोकांनी कितें करपाचें कोटा कितें जातलो हाजें एके वटेन आश्वासन थंय दिता आनी पत्रां आमकां वेगळीच येता न्ही हांगा पत्र येता ते म्हणून फक्त 5.5 लाख लोकांक बेनिफीट मेळटलो. पयल्या लोकांनी कितें करपाचें तर मागीर बरें क्वॉन्टिटी वाडयली तुवें त्या पयलीं फॅमिलीक 10 आशिल्ले न्हय सो सादारण आमकां 3 ते एक्चुअली कोटा 6,000 टन सुमार आमकां तांदूळ 5,800 कितें तरी टन तांदूळ मेळटालो. तो जर तो आमी 3,000 फॅमिलीक डिस्ट्रिब्यूट केलो BPL बी काडून जाल्यार सादारण 10 ते 15 किलो आमकां फॅमिलीक दिवपाक येता. आतां फॅमिली कमी करून तांच्यांनी लाखाचेर हाडल्यो किंवा 1.25 लाखाचेर हाडल्यो पूण क्वॉन्टिटी वाडयली. समजा 1.5 लाख फॅमिली एलिजिबल आसा जाल्यार 15 दुणे 30 आनी जवळ जवळ 4,000-4,500 टन ऑलरेडी लागता. इवन इफ दे कीप द कोटा सेम अदर्स कॅनॉट बी गिवन.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.